Hi, students. Let me discuss the solver. Let me share my screen. Okay, so this is how we are going to solve one question using solver command of Excel. So now question comes how to get solver. So here in the data, I already have this solver. So if you don't have the solver, what you have to do is go to File, Options, File, Options, Add-in, Go, and here you will see the solver add. I repeat, File, Options, Add-in, Go, and here is this option of solver. You have to select this option. It's already selected, so when and press OK. When I go to data, I can see the data analysis and solve. Now, when I press solver, here we have few things like set objective, maximum, minimum, value of, and by changing variable and subject to the constraints. Okay. Now let me set my objective revenue cost. Before that, let me tell you how to find the revenue cost. So question is given, these two parameters are given in the question. Let me highlight for you in the different color so that you can understand. So this is the input parameter and this one is also the input given to you. Now first step is you have to find the revenue. Revenue is equal to, you have to press the equal to sign. Unit cost, like you click here, 658 times price per unit. So price per unit. So whenever you have to apply any formula, you have to press equal to sign before the formula in Excel. So equal to unit sold times price per unit. And when you press enter, you will see this the answer same which I have 2500. I'm going to leave this. Similarly, cost, how we can calculate? Again, equal to unit cost, unit sold. So unit sold is 658. I press here. Instead of 658, I just click D3 times. Now it is formalized cost per unit. So 1.5. I have pressed 1.5 and then enter. So you see this formula is same. I have already applied here. You can see this is already applied. And what is income? Income is revenue. What a revenue you have generated minus how much cost you have anchored in making the product. So revenue minus cost becomes the profit. Revenue is different than profit because you are spending also in making that product. So you have to subtract the cost from the revenue which you have gained. It becomes your profit and just enter. You see the same answer is here. Okay, so this is what you have to do. And here we have been given unit cost, cost per unit and all. So let us go to the data, then solver, set objective. So I want this income, my income should have value of about $2,000. So instead of 1513, I want to earn 2000 of my income or profit. Okay. So what we can do by changing variable. So we can change these two variable. I'm selecting these two together. Unit sold and price per unit together. I'm selecting together, comma. I have to select this cost per unit that I should what should be these two input parameters should be changed so that my output or response is changed. So what should be their value so that I get 2000 income or profit. So this is what I'm doing. It can be maximum, it can be minimum and value of. Now there can be some constraint added here, subject to constraint. Let us add some constraint. It may be given in the question. Add constraint is that this price per unit uh, should be an integer. Okay, price per unit should be integer. Add, this is one constraint added. Second constraint, cost per unit. I cannot exceed, it should be less than equal to 3. I cannot increase more than 3. This is second constraint. It's not whatever computer is saying I have to change, but this is a constraint I have that I cannot change this cost per unit to 3. Okay, so two constraints added, press OK. So you can see these constraints will be given in the question. So you have to have some constraint added here that this is what we can do. And now computer, please solve and let me know how much should be my unit sold and price so that my income becomes $2,000. So these are constraints. So there are make unconstrained variable non-active. Let us do it. No need to change this. GRC and simplex evolutionary. This is fine. Now you press solve. When you press solve, you will see the values here. Unit sold, price per unit, cost per unit will change, and I will get the output of $2,000. So let us ask computer to solve this. So it is saying okay. Now you can see that I'm going to highlight in red color. So we got $2,000. Cost per unit, it is saying 0.96, unit sold 658, and price per unit should be 4. So it has changed the parameters based upon our output response, which we were expecting as $2,000. So this is how we can take the advantage of solver in Excel. I hope you understand. Thank you so much.